Ever wondered what it's like to park just by using your car plate? kiplePark LPR utilizes modern AI to read car plates with a 99% accuracy rate. We make parking cardless, ticketless, and seamless. Not only that, kiplePark LPR can lock and safeguard your car. Just download the kiplePark app and you might find extra surprises. kiplePark will change the way you pay for parking forever. You can tap to pay or set it to auto deduct mode. Season pass holders can renew directly from the app. Parking operators or building owners can save millions by reducing or even eliminating Autopay stations, parking tickets, manpower, cash management. kiplePark delivers the daily operational transparency you never had before. Don't worry about peak hours or unexpected situations. kiplePark LPR's central support system will help you manage your parkers from your operations center. It records every transaction from multiple sites. Add value to your visitors and tenants with attractive deals through kiplePark app. Are you ready to be a game changer? kiplePark LPR. Be smart always.